Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and it is today's market update for October 8, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's the SPY daily chart. So today the market tried to punch to this level here. If we're able to successful go up tomorrow, we'll be able to get out with the invert head and shoulder pattern, and the market will find a way to push it higher. As you follow me for the whole week, where I already give you where the market is heading to. So the market tried to get up, they failed to break through this level, they pulled back down, and today they go sideways, but at the end of the day, they'll be able to close the last 2 hours, they'll be able to close it above the resistance level here. So tomorrow, if the market continues to push it back up, this low level used to be a resistance level, now become a support, and then the market will find a way to push it higher. So let's see where they go, and then let's see how it look like right now. So if you are a day trader in our live trading room today, so the market is very choppy when it gets open, so we keep everybody stay calm. So by the time they give it a buy signal, everybody jump in here, they push it the first shot here. So it's 8 point gain, and after that the market is very choppy sideways. So we finished the day after the first hour of trading, make some money, and done for the day. And today, after I jump out of the live trading room, I get in and take a quick trade to wrap for the daily income for $501, and then I show some of the swing trade to make around $3,094. So the total net profit for today is $3,595. So it's not bad for a day. So if you look at the a lot of stock that we have been follow, and look at here the SB 500, the XLU, that the utility spider. You can see that we have been, if you follow me on the weekend, so this one here, it continued to put it to the upside with a very strong momentum. Another one is the IWM. Okay, it also tried to get through the resistance line here, and then it, the last couple of days it continued to put to the upside. And semiconductor, SOXX. Okay, it also tried to punch to the resistance level right now. And KRE, it's also the regional bank, also try to find a way to put it higher. And a lot of stuff that we show you that how we analyze over the weekly market forecast, like PHM, okay, they have been doing very well for the whole week. DOR, okay, this one now is supply for home builder. They are doing very well too. And a lot of public storage, they continue to push it back up. And ESR, that's another one. It's extra space storage. It's still doing very well. And let me see here, OME, it's OMF. Okay, so this one here continue to break out to the upside for the whole week there. And ALLY, that's another one. It tried to push it back up. And HIBB, okay, that's another one. It also go up very strong. And LAD, this is another one. It puts it to the upside. So far that you see that a lot of bucket, they try to find a way to break out. So if you are our member, you'll be able to see this one we get in earlier and push it back up to the upside. And so right now, there's a lot of stock try to push it back up to the resistance line, so we continue to the upside. And if you look at the Dow, also it tried to push it back up. The NQ, they get stuck at the resistance line right now. So let's see tomorrow they'll be able to push it to that level. But the Russell 2000, which is the IWM, they are very strong. So we already into the last 2 weeks, and then continue to put to the upside. So this is all I have for you for this week. So let's see how the market doing tomorrow, and then we will analyze the market again and tell you where it's heading to for the next week. So if you would like to learn how to make some extra daily income by trading future or stock, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com so that we can show you how to make a short-term daily income as well as a swing trade so you can make a bigger profit potential. And if you are if you like what we are doing here for you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will notify you so you know what's going on with the market. All right, so thank you very much and have a nice weekend. We'll see you on the next week market forecast. Bye now.